Wednesday on 7. The $80,000 jackpot.
Thank you, Cash Cow. Oh, you're kidding.
Could you be next to win big on Sunrise tomorrow?
Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. After a brief taste of winter, we're back into a classic autumn southeasterly weather pattern, and we're stuck with it for at least the next week. This means our nights won't be as cold, but our days will be cloudy at times and quite windy. Another cool start this morning, but not as cold as yesterday. The lowest overnight temperature was 14 degrees at Charters Towers, and tops today were all pretty close to 27. Let's start with the satellite loop now. Since this time yesterday, we have seen a little bit more cloud, especially on the north tropical coast, where we've seen a few showers. Naturally, it is the wettest part of Australia, so this is always the first place to get it, but we've seen a few showers come through the Whitsunday there as well, and there's been a hot spot just south of Rainbow Beach where it's been hammering down all day. Now, on today's chart, we've still got a southerly wind coming out of this high, but it's becoming more and more southeasterly the further north we go, and it's quite strong, as you can see from that very tightly packed isobar pattern. We do have a strong wind warning for all tropical waters. On tomorrow's chart, very slow movement of the high. It splits into two cells. One goes offshore, more of a straight southeasterly. So now we'll see showers right up and down the coast and the ranges as well. Not very heavy at this stage. We're just expecting light ones, mostly coastal. And then on the outlook chart, it's more of the same pretty much. If you look at this chart, it'll be the same for the next 7 days. The only difference is that the highs will get down to the Tasman Sea, but we'll still have a southeasterly trade pattern. To the latest now from the BOM. Boating forecast for Townsville waters. We've still got that strong wind warning. Southeasterly winds 20 to 30 knots tomorrow on a 2-metre easterly swell. For Thursday, Friday, still southeast 20 to 30. Our first tide tomorrow will be a morning low, and the swing to the afternoon high tide will be slow and steady, owing to Thursday's half-moon neap tide. The Herbert and Lower Burdekin, a possible shower in the north only. Townsville will be fine with 28 degrees at the top. Ayr also 28, Ingham 27. Northern Goldfields and Upper Flinders fine and mostly sunny. Charters Towers ranging 15 up to 27 degrees, and Georgetown a top of 29. Looking ahead for Townsville, steady trade winds should keep our weather consistent for the next week. Slightly warmer nights but cool days around 27 degrees. Clouds will threaten but rarely deliver. This photo was taken by Leanne Hansen looking toward Mount Walsh during the approach of a menacing storm. Thunderstorms are actually bright white when viewed in full sunlight. They just look black when they obliterate the light source, which is the sun. Thanks, Leanne, and thank you all. Catch you tomorrow. And now it's back to the team.
Great, thanks for that, Livio. And that's all from us for this Tuesday. Thanks for your company.
And a reminder, of course, you can watch us anytime on 7+. See you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.
On 7 News tonight, fresh vaccine concerns.